If your Subaru won't start but lights come on, it means the battery and alternator are likely working. The problem lies in the starting system itself. First, ensure you have fuel in the tank and try starting the car in neutral if it's an automatic, or with the clutch fully engaged if it's a manual. Next, look for the starter solenoid. It's connected to the starter motor. Check for a click when you turn the key. This indicates the solenoid is getting power, but the starter motor isn't engaging. If no click, it could be a faulty ignition switch or starter relay. Corroded terminals can also prevent the starter from getting power, so inspect and clean those. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Common Subaru codes related to starting issues include P0335 for a crankshaft position sensor failure or P062F for a fuel pump issue. Diagnosing these codes can point you to the exact problem area. Remember safety first. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal before inspecting any electrical components. A common fix for Subaru no-start issues is replacing a faulty relay, which costs around $20 and is prone to corrosion in these vehicles. If the starter motor is faulty, replacement typically costs between $200 and $400. For electronic issues like immobilizer lockouts and push-button start models, reset using the Subaru Starlink app if equipped. If OBD2 scan shows faulty crankshaft position sensor or fuel pump, have them replaced by a mechanic. For suspected ECU problems, get a software update from the dealer. Prevention is key. Check relays every 30,000 miles and replace preventatively. Keep battery terminals clean and battery in good condition. Consult a Subaru mechanic if in doubt.